What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you guys staying with me on this journey to get out of the GM. I love GMs, don't get me wrong. I'm still going to do GMs all the time. But you're getting me out of my rotation of GMC Chevy. I'm trying to throw some other trucks in here and get that going too. So you see me, I've been working on the F250, F450, F350 playlist on the channel. And now I'm trying to work on the Ram 2500, 3500. I do have some good videos out there, but they're few and far in between. So today we've got a smaller build. I don't really do a bunch of the smaller Dodges and the Rams. It's a 2024 Ram 3500 Mega Cab, which is a short bed dually. We're doing some 37-inch Toyo open country RT trail tires on I think it's a 2.5-inch Wicked leveling kit with some Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks. This is going to be a really, really nice build. We're having to put a spacer in the back between the two tires so that they don't touch in the rear. So it's going to have a nice wide stance to it. Stay tuned for the process. I'm about to get out real quick and show you what the truck looks like. And I really like the way the interior looks in this truck too. It's a Laramie. So all right, so here's the truck. Very, very nice truck. It's a high-end trim package for sure. Chromed out on the front end, chrome mirrors. The wheels actually don't look bad. It's that classic bullet hole style wheel. It's commonly referred to in the industry as the Alcoa type wheel, but you know, it's just a standard dually wheel to me. This truck has that huge back seat. It's the Mega Cab. I really like these trucks a lot. To me, it kind of looks like a SUV with a truck bed on the back. There's enough room back there to throw a little twin-size mattress down. My parents used to have a truck like this when I was a kid. One of the older ones, of course, but they still made that Mega Cab back in, like, I think it was 06 model or something like that. I love this truck a lot, though. It's going to look really nice with this wheel and tire setup. That Wicked leveling kit's gonna look really cool, and those Fox shocks do look really cool. He got the best out of these tires. I don't know why Dodge or Ram puts that Nexon tire on there. I don't know how many miles this truck has on it, but those tires get like 10 to 15,000 miles every time that I see these trucks come in. Probably not the best choice to make if you're just replacing stock tires. The front end of this truck looks really, really good. I know it's gonna have that stance, like I said, with those big tow mirrors. This thing's gonna look awesome. I appreciate the customer for bringing it to us. We're about to get started on it right now. So we've got our Ram 3500 dually all finished up and ready to go. It looks amazing. I love this little setup. We did it on a Chevy 3500 last week, and I love it. So hopefully we can start doing more of this. 37s on stock wheels with a spacer in the back. It just really, really looks nice. With a leveling kit, you can't really beat it. We did the Wicked leveling kit on this with the Fox shocks. Perfect. It's simple. It's just a leveling kit with some resi shocks. It's not that expensive, so I think that's a good setup for you. I'm about to get out of the truck and show you what it looks like. Let me know what you think in the comments. Talk about a nice truck. This thing is amazing. It's a new Ram 3500 dually 37 1250 17s. I just drove this truck. It turns all the way. I didn't hear any rub on the inside on the radius arm. I didn't hear any rub or feel any rub on the sway bar. Everything clears perfectly. We did that 2.5 inch Wicked leveling kit in the front with the spring. We did the Fox 2.0 reservoir shocks. They always look amazing. It's a very, very nice shock. The tires we went with are the 37 1250 17 Toyo Open Country RT Trail. This is a very, very nice tire with a 45,000 mile warranty. It's a super, super good riding tire. It's very quiet. This is definitely on the list of tires that I would recommend. Very, very good tire. We put that same size tire in the rear with a 2-inch wheel spacer in the middle between the two tires for clearance. There it is. Very, very nice setup on this truck. The tire doesn't stick too crazy far out of the back where it's just ridiculous. You can still pull your goosenecks and stuff like that and do whatever else you do with these trucks. I already said it earlier in the video, I do love the Mega Cab a lot. I think it really makes the truck look good. It's the long beds on the other dualies that kind of bother me a little bit. I love that this has a short bed. Very nice. Pretty sure Dodge is the only one that does a short bed still on the dualies. I say Dodge, Ram, you know what I'm talking about. If you have any questions about this truck, feel free to call. 678-994-9180 is the phone number up here. If you have any questions about a price on this build, stay tuned after this clip. I'm going to put a quote up for it so you can kind of get an idea of what this would cost you. Appreciate you guys watching.